Menominee Falls. Let's see what we can find for everyday decor. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. When my kids were little, they used to play at one at the library, but I'm going to leave it for someone else. The shape of this wood frame caught my attention right away, so for 99 cents, we had to pick this up. I added some hummingbird paper to it from Jamie Ray Vintage, but you can put whatever you want in it if you buy it. I did not pick this canvas, and I can't remember why. The price was not terrible, but I have several canvases I've not sold yet, so I think I'm just going to leave it for someone else to enjoy. Look at this old picture of the sports team. This is so cool, but not for us. This bathroom crossword puzzle is so funny. I had just seen one of these at my cousin's house, and I'd never noticed one before, so we picked this up. And this blanket basket is amazing for $4. These 12 pillows are still waiting to get a run through my washing machine because they are really cute, so stay tuned on those. If you see anything you love, you can always shop rusticrehabs.com for any of the products and for all the paint and artisan craft products that we sell and use too. Here's a sale info. Christmas in July. It's in store and online through the 31st. And another announcement is we are selling our Prima at 35% off. So jump on that because it's going fast. I picked up a display for the store and this cute flower press. And check out the kids that came to paint.
For the camera. Thanks for coming, guys. Have a good, safe walk back.
We had 13 kids from Grace Lutheran come and make handprint projects, and we had so much fun with them. Zoom in to see how adorable their pieces turned out. Okay, back to thrifting. I love this carved plate, and I have a candlestick that I think I'm going to marry them up together. This ceramic mushroom is very cool. Somebody did a really good job painting it, and I'm going to try to touch it up to give it another life. These nutcrackers were $3 a piece. I grabbed all three of them. There's a hockey player, a baseball player, and a Mr. Fix-It. All things that my husband is, so this cracked me up. I grabbed these birds to give them a paint job and give them another life. That'll be coming soon. I spy something I donated for my shop. We used to use this for pens, and now it's for sale at Goodwill. Look. It even has my little sticker on the front that says support small business. But I did grab this little candlestick from Hobby Lobby. And I love this candle holder. It's light. It feels like aluminum or tin. And I may give it an updated paint job, but I think it could be really, really cute. This little saying already sold to Jenny to give to her mom. And this I think is also really cute. So we will grab both of those. And guess what? The bunnies are still there. I thought about grabbing this cute bunny wreath and doing something with it, but I'm going to leave it because I'm feeling overwhelmed with all of the do something with it I already have. It was a good picking day. I didn't go gonzo, but I did get some stuff that I think I can really flip and upcycle, and that's what really matters. I'm trying to be a more careful picker because I do have a bunch of stock that I still need to go through and get updated, and that's why this guy almost came home with me, but I got things like this already, so I'm going to pass on him. But this wreath was really good, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do it for Christmas or what, but this is definitely some good raw craft materials. And it was originally $20 at Hobby Lobby, so that's a good find. So that's a wrap on this week. We spent $73 at this Goodwill, and I am excited about some of the things that I need to just finish up. Don't forget to check out our sales and come back into the shop soon. I appreciate you so very much. Stay cool out there and have a great rest of your weekend. Take care. Bye.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane.